Hi guys, today I am going to share with you different types of stock. The first one is growth stock. These are the stock which perform better than economy. Second one is blue chip stock. These are the leading companies in the stock market which are doing very well. Third one is income stock. So if you are looking for dividend option, these are the companies giving maximum dividend. Then the fourth one is cyclical stock, which perform according to economy, like period of recession, boom, so they adjust according to the economic situation of the country. These are cyclical stock. Next is defensive stock. Defensive means they are good at all time, bad time as well as good time, they are okay to buy. You can buy any point of time and the risk is less and returns are also okay. Next is value stock. These are the undervalued stock. Okay, so there is a chance of, yes, there is a chance that the share will do better in future. So these are called as a value stock. And last one is, and most risky, is a speculative stock. If you love trading and if you're ready to take high risk, then speculative stock are the preferable, but they are okay only for short term, not for long term. So guys, according to those 7 categories, you divide your risk profile and accordingly select the stock. So I hope you like this reel. Thank you so much.